How to correctly choose the right bottle filling machine. There are so many types of filling machines, it can be hard to know which one is right for your product. Before buying a filling machine, you need to know a lot, and the selection process is still complicated. Hopefully the following will help you choose the best equipment for your production needs. 1. What do you need to fill when buying a filling machine? Some bottle filling machines are designed to fill dry goods such as powders or pills into containers. There are some other filling machines suitable for handling liquids. If you want to buy a filling machine, the important factor to consider is the viscosity or consistency of the product. To help determine which type of filling technology the machine uses, addressing the specific properties of the product. 2. The principle of back pressure canning machine. Carbonated beverages, such as beer, champagne, etc., require unique filling technology and specialized filling equipment. Filling machines that properly fill or bottle carbonated products are known as back pressure fillers. It keeps the liquid carbonated through a double pre-evacuation process. Works by pulling air from a bottle and pressurizing it with carbon dioxide. By repeating this process, make sure that 99.99% of the oxygen in the bottle can be removed. Double pre-vacuum. Bottled carbonated products have a longer shelf life due to these repeated pre-evacuation cycles. 3. The standard for the degree of automation of the filling machine. When purchasing a filling machine, it is critical to determine which level of automation to use. For home brewing, entry-level brewing, manual fillers are a good choice. It is designed to handle relatively low volumes and is not suitable for small to medium breweries or breweries to expand. For most small breweries, semi-automatic fillers are a good middle option. However, manual operation is required, which reduces the filling efficiency. Automatic filling machines are the best choice for large breweries. The filling speed of this machine is much faster than manual filling machines, and semi-automatic filling machines takes up a lot of space and rarely requires manual handling. Automatic filling machines are often the most expensive in terms of purchase and maintenance. 4. How much capacity/volume does the filling machine need to fill? The size of the container has a huge impact on the weight change during filling. Due to the properties of some liquids, it may be necessary to fill the container. Therefore, it is necessary to set the filling capacity to effectively and accurately control product waste. 5. Maintenance and cleaning of the filling machine. Liquid accumulation in components can affect the normal operation of the filling machine and the quality of the finished product. To choose machines that are easy to clean and maintain, preventing contamination and poor product quality. The above is the content of the filling machine. Welcome to discuss together.